Do you like to create like this amazing 3D video to promote your website? You can see this high quality mock-up of laptop, all this 3D setup. What you need to do just to download template from Envato Elements on your computer, and then you can just change screenshot of your website on the screen of a laptop. Because if you hire 3D designer to create all of this setup and animate everything, it will cost you a lot of money. But very simply, you can just download pre-made template from Envato Elements and you're good to go. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to do it. So you can see this nice camera movement, everything preset, and just in a few clicks, you can make like this wonderful promotion of your website. Otherwise, you need to learn 3D motion design to create or to download these setups to create it in Blender or somewhere else. So what we need to do, we can install extension and make a full page screenshot of our website. You can see extension that I use. Now we're just simply downloading it and going to After Effects, and then this is downloaded pre-made template from Envato Elements, and then we open in file, and then here very simply we open in this placeholder, and then we gonna put our website. So we hit S for scale, and then we scale it by 200%. Nothing difficult, and now we can animate position of our website. So at the beginning we will go all the way up, then we can fit for the screen. You can see we put first keyframe on Y position, and then we move a little bit website. So it will be even better, it will be animated during animation. So it's very simple to do. Always saving project, because After Effects like to crash very often. So now we go into the second theme, same as we did before. We hit S, scale, and then we setting up position, and we're gonna animate by position again. So we animating only Y position. X position is already good for us. We just selecting different part of the screen. As you understanding, this is same screenshot what we just made, and then we can see already two skins ready. And now we're going to the third theme. We're going there, same as usual, opening placeholder number 3, hit S for scale, scale by 200%, and then animating by position Y. Very simply to do. You can do it manually, or you can approximately put how much you want to position for Y. And then we're selecting parts of the page which we want to show up on our screen of animation. So it will be animated screen. So right now we set up third scene, Ctrl S to save. Then we open in fourth scene, going to placeholder number 4. Same as we did before, we adding our screenshot from our website, and then we going to animate it. First we scale it by 200%, and then we setting parts of the image which we gonna show on the screen during animation. It's very easy to do. So to get all of this, you need to hit P for position. So right now we're animating by position. We set up 2 keyframes, and then we proceeding further. So we have, as you can see, when we're moving, we already, instead of black screen, we have our screenshot from our website. And that's how we do. So again, hit S for scale, then hit P for position, and setting position for letter Y. So we're moving up and down. Right now we move a little bit up, and then we're moving our screenshot a bit down. So we can select part of the screen which gonna show up on our animation. It's nothing difficult, very simply. It's already pre-made template with all animations ready. So this is how, like, in a matter of minutes you can create promotion of your website. So we're doing the same thing, adding up our screenshot, then scale up to 200% because our final output will be in 4K, and then hit P and selecting position. Very simply. And then we're selecting part of the screen which will be animated. Hit select. So during animation it will show up from one keyframe to another keyframe. Okay, and the last screen, you can see this beautiful 3D animation, and we're adding up our screenshot to the laptop screen. So again, hit S, scale by 200%, and selecting position. Nothing difficult, very easy. And moving a little bit down because we show already other part of our homepage of website, buildingauthoritysites.com. And now we're moving a little bit down where users can see our portfolio, and then moving a little bit down and look like good. So we're closing project, and now we already set fully our animation. This is how simple it is. It needs some time to render right now, so always Ctrl S to save and then Ctrl M to render. We're selecting which folder we're gonna render, and then very simple, we just hit render, and that's it, and your video promotion ready.